In this video, what I'm going to do is put this oversized bike seat on this little mini 14-inch folding e-bike. Check this thing out. I had got this e-bike in, and the seat on this thing is very weak in the back. You see how it bends over. It's oversized seat, and it looks like it's going to be like more comfortable, but it's not. And what I did, I had went ahead and got me one of these oversized bike seats, and it's from the company Xmifer, maybe Xmifer is what it says there. And what I like about this one, it actually gives you all the tools to it, everything to remove this one and put this one on. So what I'm going to do is unscrew this and see if I can figure out how I can just slide this one onto this one, and then we should be good to go. This lever right here is built into this part, so all I got to do, so it looks like all I got to do is take these bolts off right there. So let me go ahead and take this out, and let's see what we get with it. For the price, this is a very premium look to it. Look at the size of those shock absorbers in this one compared to that one. It's just like a spring. This is like an actual shock absorber, and it has this leather type feel to it. Very cushiony right there, and it's got a relief built in there. I don't know what that thing's for. I think that's just for maybe wrapping around it or something to give you a little more reflective. So let me go ahead. It looks like all you got to do is loosen that up, and then it just slides on there. So let me go ahead and try to figure out how to take this off and then take that off, and then we'll put it on there. Then we'll go for a ride. That turned out looking really good. Looking at it right here, you can see how it was easily adjustable. And what I decided to do, I just went ahead and took these pieces off and used what was on this bike. So if you got a bike like this, pretty simple, you know, it looks like a bunch of parts, but all you do is loosen the two bolts on the outside. Here's the supplied wrench, but because the bolts were a little smaller on this bike, I had to go get my adjustable wrench and do it right there. But check this out. This also has a feature on there that I needed to have on this bike. So you see that little arch right there and see that little lever? Notice you got a battery right here. Watch this. You hold that down and check that out. This, because I wanted to reuse this part right here, because this is part of this bike, I had to have that on there. So if you've got a seat like this where you've got a battery that you need to take out, that's what you got to do. This thing works perfect, and look how good that looks. Watch when I sit on it. You see that? That feels great. See the cushion that's on there? You know, I already have a lot of cushion back there anyway, but that seems to work. That seems to work just great. Where compared to what was on here was this thing, and these springs, this thing was not good at all. So if you've got a seat like this that you're not happy with, you just want to upgrade to something a little better like that looks more premium, I highly recommend this seat. So that's going to work out perfect. Now I just got a little more comfortable ride, and I'm going to replace these pedals too. These pedals feel a little cheap, and I think I'll replace these pedals. Then I'm going to have this little bike decked out. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the bike seat. See y'all in the next video.